Those are peaches right there. This one has nectarines. And then lemon tree, oranges, and there's an avocado in the back. Hi, Junhee. Never go to a friend's house if your mom or dad doesn't know them. Exactly, Wilmer. Very true. Never do that. They could be bad people, you never know. Welcome, Junhee. How are you? Thank you for joining. I'm glad a lot of people joined today. I was away from 2 days. He was sick, yeah. Adonis was sick. I've never seen Junhee before. Is she new or is she a fan? She's a fan. Yes, player 222. She's from Melissa's channel. Dust bath under peaches. Yep, they look at that big hole that they dug. And do you see how big of a hole they made? That's good, Adonis, yeah. And that's their favorite spot. Look, a lizard. It's full of lizards here. Oh, there's another one over there. Do you see it? There's 2. Only you understand me. Aw. You guys have a great friendship. You see that lizard? The chickens, they eat the lizards. If they catch them, they eat them. Like in one gulp. They love lizards. Be right back. Okay, Sunrise. Thank you for joining, Junhee. I don't think you joined us yesterday, did you, Junhee, around this time on Alyssa's channel? Oh, it's right there. It jumped on the grass. Oh, there's 2. They're doing push-ups. Guys, look at them. They're doing push-ups. These lizards are everywhere. If we accidentally leave the door open to the house, they'll get in the house and they're really hard to catch. That one's so funny. You're back. I saw the video of you trying the Mexican candy. Yay, did you see it? Sunrise, did you see our... It looks blurry to me. Did you see our new video on Alyssa's channel? We were trying Mexican candies. And they were all spicy. She didn't like them. She doesn't like spicy stuff. Like at all. Hi, Peppy. Peppy, this is Peppy, this black chicken. She's the one that usually she catches the lizards and she eats them. I've caught in like 2 or 3 videos of her doing that. Lizards too. They get in the pool and I capture them. Too bad you don't have any chickens to give them to. It was so funny. I saw the new video. Cool. Thanks guys for watching that. If you guys didn't see, I have a video on my channel that I just put out today. You know how Chicken Explorers makes songs for his videos? I made a song. And it says like Kelly Chickens in it, and it says all the little chickens' names in it. And I'm so proud of myself. Peppy and Chippy. These are 2 of our favorites. And then Hazel, the brown chicken. I don't know where she is. She is right there. The one in the front. That's Hazel. Those are my 3 favorites. At least. You did? Aw. I worked hard on that. These ones over here having their dust bath, rolling around in the dirt. It was so good. Thank you.